Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Eats Celebrities, and guess what? I'm actually making a recipe today. I'm actually doing it. Now, my recipe today is inspired by my favorite holiday of the year, Thanksgiving. I love Thanksgiving. I love it. I love it. Thanksgiving, turkey time. Yeah, we like turkey time. That's a turkey. No, it's not. It's actually a chicken. Gobble, gobble. That's a turkey. And I'm so excited because I want to eat some turkey. Yeah. What the fuck is wrong with me? Oh, that's right. I love Thanksgiving. Yeah, I freaking love Thanksgiving. And I think it's because, well, I love to eat a lot of food, and it's pretty much the one day of the year where people can't give me shit for going up for, fourths, if you will. With that being said, I typically do not have leftovers when it comes to Thanksgiving. However, a lot of you probably do. And the recipe I'm making today incorporates those leftovers. I'm making Thanksgiving-inspired deviled eggs. Yes, I have a lot of deviled egg recipes on my blog and YouTube channel, but I just have so many different ideas for deviled eggs that I can't stop, won't stop. And you're gonna thank me for this recipe because it'll help you get rid of all your leftovers. Or if you're feeling like you really want to celebrate Thanksgiving in say March, well, then you can make this recipe too because it's that easy. Come on guys, put your pilgrim hats on and let's make this recipe. You are welcome, everybody. You are welcome because I created Thanksgiving-themed deviled eggs. Now, as you guys might know, I never make the recipes I make on my blog and YouTube channel before I press record on the camera. So when I was making this recipe, I actually started coming up with other ideas as to how you could change this recipe up a little bit. For instance, you could use pureed sweet potatoes as opposed to roasted sweet potatoes because that would make the filling a little bit more creamy. And or you could actually add your cranberry sauce to the mix as well and then put it in your hard-boiled eggs. Also, one thing I have to let you know is use really large eggs for this recipe. In fact, why don't you just use an ostrich egg because I have so much left over right here, and I only hard-boiled 4 eggs. So you may want to go back to the refrigerator and hard-boil a couple more. That being said, I need to try one of these babies right now. They're moving all over my plate at this moment in time. Woo! Yeah, that's fun. Because I put the cranberry syrup on top, which by the way is sugar-free and calorie-free. Let's eat. I was a little concerned about putting the syrup on top of these because I was like, ooh, this is gonna be really sweet. But when you think about it, you guys tend to eat sweet potatoes with marshmallows on top of them, so that's sweet. And then you pair it with turkey and your green beans and all that kind of stuff. So you know what? It is what it is. And this is delicious. I didn't really have a doubt in my mind though, honestly, because as I said earlier, Thanksgiving is the best holiday. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, what you could also do is, if you don't want to go through the process of making deviled eggs, well, grab yourself a spoon and just eat this mixture like it's salad. Oh man. I foresee myself eating this entire bowl when I turn the camera off. Or shit, I can keep the camera on, I don't really care. Now, I also have some of these deviled eggs without any of the cranberry syrup on top, so let me give that a go. They're both stupid delicious. Now, it's really just your preference as to whether or not you like things a little bit sweeter or if you like things a little bit more savory. Okay, this girl has to go eat the rest of this recipe. So I'm gonna have to say goodbye now, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially since I'm back in the kitchen actually cooking things. And do leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing on Thanksgiving is. And if you like Thanksgiving as much as this girl right here. Also, I really hope you try this recipe because it's the tits, and I will see you all next week. Please do subscribe. Bye. Making love. Get in. Get on there. Come on, jump aboard the egg. Jump aboard. No one wants to stay on board. Come on. Oh. Class act right here. Class act. And I have food in my teeth. I'm so classy. I love Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving rocks.